we're done with challenge 6b says, well, we have this error now. We expect something different from the thing that we should have. We expected 42, even though we should have been expecting 10, because that's what 10 rocket height is always supposed to give back. So we gotta change 42 back to 10. So you could just erase 42 and type 10. I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the command key. So if I look along the bottom of my keyboard, I've got an FN, that's called a function key, then a control key to its right. I'm starting from the left here, so function, control, option, command. You may have different keys. Let's say you're on a Windows machine instead of I have a Mac here. Then you might have slightly different keys, and you might use Alt or you might use Control. I think in this case you're going to use Control. For all of the Mac users, you're going to use Command. And it also has this little flower-looking thing on it for the Mac users. Once again, the Windows users are using Control. So if you're a Windows user, you hold down Control, and if you're a Mac user, you hold down Command. Just one of the two. And while you're holding that down, type Z. And you'll notice that you have undone the typing 42. Now I'll type Z again while still holding down the Command key in my case, the Control key maybe in your case, and I'll get back the 10. If I did Control Z a little bit more, then I might undo more things. So I want to be careful about how many times I hit Z. So I'm just going to hit Z once and then see what happens and hit Z while holding down Control or Command until I get back exactly what I wanted. So really, it's not that hard to type 42 and to delete back over it and type 10. But Command Z or Control Z makes it a lot easier, even just because you don't have to remember what you did. It's just undo. If ever you get into a place where you're not sure what happened, but your program isn't working anymore, one of the first things to try is undo and see what was the last thing you changed.